2022 seems to have flown by. I didn't get to spend as much time on the water as I'd hope, but I enjoyed hearing your stories, answering your questions, and looking at the photos of the beautiful places you have visited on your boats. Honestly, it brings me great joy to know that you're spending quality time on the water. This year, we launched our e-commerce portal on the website and have received orders from around the world. Many of you wrote to say that you ordered from us because you saw a solution on our YouTube channel. For that, we are grateful. Before we head off into 2023, I want to pause and say thank you for all our viewers and to everyone who took the time to send in a question or a helpful comment. On behalf of the team, all the best for the new year.